What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you guys tuning in today. Today, you guys, I just have 4 sneakers that I want to unbox. This one's actually one I've unboxed before, and 3 of them I have not. So I'm really excited to show you the last shoe. It's a shoe that I think will probably increase in value in time. Let's just get right into the unboxing, you guys. Like I said, I've had this shoe in the past, but these were sitting at Finish Line. So I got actually a preschool size of the Midnight Navies, the code.jp Midnight Navies. Check it out in here. Actually, the preschool ones don't have the code.jp. The adult sizes did, but still a really clean shoe, you guys. Really clean shoe. It's a size 1Y, so if anybody's interested, I got these. I think there's still one more sitting at my local Finish Line in case somebody is actually interested in picking these up. I'm pretty sure they have one more 1Y on the wall. It's like 70 bucks. So really clean shoe, and I wanted to pick up a pair, and I think I'm able to profit like 30 bucks off of this shoe. So just a little bit of money that I can make, so I continue to give back to you guys. But I'll just put that, I'll throw one up here and move on to the next pair. And this next one was a recent release, and shout out to Omar, he threw these to me. It's the Air Jordan 13 Starfish, and some people are calling this the Shattered Backboard 13 just because of the orange. But yeah, it's your 13 silhouette. You got the little fisheye right here, clean bottom right there, Jumpman right here, and carbon fiber. I always like the carbon fiber on these. These shoes were made like, I don't know, like they're way ahead of its time. With like the 11s and up, these things were made a long time ago, but still stand the test of time. But yeah, I'm not a huge fan of orange, but still a really clean Jordan 13, you guys. You can call it Shattered Backboard, or you can call it the Starfish, whatever you want to call it. I'll throw these up here real quick and move on to the next shoe. This actually is a shoe that so recently the Nike ID dropped for the Dunks, and I missed out. So I was like, if I can't get the Dunks, I'll do something else. So this is a Nike ID that I created myself, and hopefully you guys like it. Let me unbox it real quick. All right, you guys, I got it open, and show you the box real quick. It says Nike by You right there, and then on the side it says Nike by Nazim. And you guys probably just saw the shoe, at least the colorway, but maybe you don't know what the silhouette is. So what's really cool is they throw in the Nike by You paper as well, right there. And I'll show you guys the shoe. These are clean. Wow, these are so clean. So I went on Nike by You, and I did a custom Chicago colorway on the Air Force One, you guys. Red bottom, black swoosh. The only thing I wish I would have changed is actually this back tab. I wish I would have made that black and then a red Nike swoosh. So I think that would have been a nice contrast, the red and the black on top, but I made it all red. But still, nevertheless, black laces, white tongue, Nike Air Force One on the tongue right there, Nike Air on the back, obviously, but still really, really clean Air Force One, you guys. I'm actually really excited to rock these. I don't own any Air Force Ones, and I was like, if I'm gonna rock an Air Force One, I at least want it to be the colorway that I like. So tell me what you guys think about these. Do you like these or not? Yeah, you guys can jump on Nike ID and customize. I did like a bread Air Force One. I did a bread toe, a black toe, and I think I decided on the Chicago's because I missed on the Dunks, and so I was like, oh well. And the only thing about the Dunks is you couldn't change the toe box, and on these you can. Like you can just, like right here, you couldn't change this on Nike ID, the Dunks. This was all one color. This and this was all one color. You couldn't change it. With these, you can actually make them mismatched. So it's really, really clean. I'm really happy how these came out, guys. I can't wait to put these on feet and rock them outside. But yeah, I hope you guys like these shoes. Let's see here. I'll throw them right here, actually, on top of my Unions. And before I get into the last sneaker, guys, I want to remind everyone of the giveaway. I'm giving these away, you guys, so check the description down below and it'll take you to my IG, and good luck on this giveaway. It's just my gratitude, my thank you to everybody watching, And I'm going to remind you that I always give away, every month I'm giving away a pair of shoes, and it's just, you know, just my deepest gratitude for everybody watching, subscribing, and I have all this stuff and I feel like I have enough to give back, so that's why I do it. But this last shoe is actually a shoe I've never had on the channel before. Here's the box, and it's very faint, but there's some wording right here. And I don't want to say it because it'll give it away, but a lot of people, if you're a sneakerhead, you know what this is. Shout out to Preston. Preston gave me a really good deal on these. Got the lace bag right here. It hasn't even been opened yet. So dead stock lace bag right there. And the shoe is actually the Fear of God 1 Oatmeal. Clean bottom right there, translucent with the Nike swoosh. Dead stock, you guys. This is like buttery smooth right here on the toe box. This part right here is actually 3M, and it shines when you take a picture of it. You got some Nike branding right there on the side. You got actually Nike on the back as well right here. You got the zipper, and this actually right here, this kind of like works as a shoehorn, and you're gonna slide your feet. But these came out a few years ago, or a couple years ago, and I wasn't able to get my hands on any of them. So I'm really excited to add this to the collection, you guys. I think these shoes will actually go up in time because Jerry Lorenzo did not re-sign with Nike, and similar to Kanye's story, Kanye made shoes with Nike, didn't re-sign with Nike, went to Adidas. Jerry Lorenzo just went to Adidas. So I have a feeling these might go up in time. So I'm gonna try and cop some more of these in different colorways, and I think they're just gonna go up in price. I got these for a really good deal. So once again, shout out to Preston for throwing me a really good deal on these. Really excited to have these in the collection once again. The Fear of God Fog 1 Oatmeal. But that's it for the unboxing, you guys. Actually, I still have that one-on-one coming. COVID's still, you know, kind of crazy right now. So, I mean, it's getting a little bit better, but as soon as I get time, you know, and with the baby, I haven't had time to go play that one-on-one with for my 12s that I got. And then actually I got a couple other videos coming up. I got a crazy card collection. My older brother was collecting cards at a young age, and he threw me those cards to unbox on the channel. So I'm really excited to show you guys those cards. Not only that, but my family, my older brother, my younger brother, and myself, we've got some vintage jerseys that we've collected over the years, and I'm really excited to show those jerseys for you guys. I'm gonna make a whole separate video with the cards and the jerseys, and then obviously I got more shoes coming in all the time. So I got a few videos coming out, you guys, and you know, hopefully you guys stay tuned, and I'll definitely be pumping those videos out for you guys whenever I have time, especially with the new baby. But anyway, I really appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Peace.